How you doing today? My name is RJ Rickert with ISW, and I'm going to show you how to use hot stamping foil while using Forever Laser Dark paper. So we're going to take our paper right here in our image, and we're actually going to print it in 100% black. You do not want to use any white while doing it. You can actually turn the white off on your printer. So it's going to be the same two-step process with the dark. First process is marrying A and B together. So that is your A sheet. Your B sheet is your adhesive sheet. This carries all your adhesive on it. The one side that says Forever on it, you should be looking at when you're placing it on top. So you're going to put that glossy side down, and then the non-gridded side right on top of your paper. We're going to cover this with parchment paper. And we're going to press this 11 by 17. We're going to press it for 120 seconds. 8.5 by 11. We're going to press for just 90 seconds. All right, so the press is almost ready. So this first one is going to be a hot peel. So when we slide it out, we're going to go ahead and grab a corner, and we're going to start our peeling process. You're going to want to keep it on the platen and a nice smooth load to the platen as possible angle. So now, that is what we call self-weeding. All of your adhesive only stuck to where there was toner on the A sheet. That B sheet is a little bit smaller than the A sheet, so it will leave a little bit of outline around your image. So all we're going to do is take some scissors and cut around the image. All right, so now that we properly transferred our B sheet to our A sheet, we are ready to go onto a t-shirt. Today we're going on a cotton shirt, but the good thing is with this Forever Laser Dark paper, you can go on cotton, polyester, half and half, tri-blends, you name it. So we're going to put our shirt on the press. We're going to go ahead and give it a quick pre-press to get all of that moisture out of the shirt. Then we're going to take that Laser Dark paper, place it where we want it. Cover it with some parchment paper, and we're going to go ahead and press it. When doing hot stamping foil, all you need to do is press it for 10 to 15 seconds, really just enough for it to stick on there. All right, once our press is done, we're going to slide it out, and it's going to be a cold peel. So we're going to carefully take it off the press and let the shirt cool down. Okay, so now that the shirt is cold, there's a little technique involved with taking it off the shirt. We're going to go ahead and grab a corner, put some pressure on the paper, and start to roll your image off. So now, if you can kind of see, there's a little gloss to the t-shirt. Now, time to add some bling and add some hot stamping foil. So you'll get that foil, you'll cut the size you need. We'll go ahead and put our t-shirt back on the press. We will lay our foil on top of it. Cover it with some parchment paper. And now when you're applying the foil, we're actually going to increase our pressure. And we're going to press it for 30 seconds. All right, now that our time is almost up, we'll pop open our press, slide it out. And so now here, it is very, very important to carefully take the foil off of the press. You don't want it to lift up too early because it does need to cool down. So now, we'll go ahead and set our t-shirt aside, wait for it to cool down, and then wait for the magic to happen. All right, now that our shirt is cold, here's where the magic happens. Lift up that foil, rip it off, and as you can see, it just stuck to where the toner was. So now you can add some bling while using the Forever Laser Dark paper and the Oki printers. So some people will like the foil to be a little more matted down. So you definitely can just put it back up on the press. And what I'm going to do is actually press half of it for you. Put that parchment paper over the top of it. And go ahead and press it for another just 10 seconds to knock off that shine. So you kind of gets two different looks here. And if you can see here, half of it is now matted down and half of it has that nice shine. It's really up to you and your customers. Thank you for watching this video on how to add hot stamping foil to your t-shirts. I'm RJ Rickert with ISW. Have a good day.